Want multiple people to access your Ring doorbell? Ring's shared access feature, formerly known as shared user, lets you grant access to family, friends, or neighbors. This enables them to view live video, receive notifications, and answer calls, all without giving them full control of your device. You can add up to 100 shared users per device. Begin with step 1. Download and log in. The primary owner must download the Ring app on their smartphone. It's available on iOS through the App Store and on Android through Google Play. Once downloaded, log in using your existing Ring account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, create one during the setup process. This account will be the primary one that manages shared access for other users. Once logged in as the primary owner, navigate to the device settings for your Ring doorbell. You can typically find this by tapping the doorbell icon in the app, then selecting Device Settings, and finally, Shared Access. Within the Shared Access menu, select Add User. You'll be prompted to enter the email address or phone number of the person you want to add as a shared user. Ring will then send an invitation link to that email or phone number. The shared user will receive an invitation link via email or text message from the Ring app. They need to open this link on their phone or device. If they don't already have a Ring account, they'll be prompted to create one by providing an email and password. Once the account is set up or verified, they'll follow the on-screen instructions to accept the invitation and link their account to your Ring doorbell, gaining access to notifications and video feeds. Shared users have limited access compared to the primary owner. They can view live video feeds, receive notifications, and answer doorbell calls, but they cannot change device settings or delete any footage. The primary owner maintains full control over all features. If a shared user doesn't receive the invite, check their spam folder first. If that doesn't work, resend the invite through the Ring app. Alternatively, try using a QR code for direct app pairing. Always ensure the Ring app is updated to the latest version 5.0 or higher for optimal multi-phone support. Ring prioritizes security for shared users. Let's explore the key measures that protect your data and privacy. Shared user data isn't stored on the device itself. Instead, it's securely managed through cloud storage, ensuring your information remains protected. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is strongly recommended for all shared invites to add an extra layer of security. Recent updates include end-to-end encryption for shared feeds, which enhances overall security by protecting data in transit. Finally, owners can customize permissions to further protect privacy, such as limiting access hours for shared users. These security and privacy measures ensure that sharing access to your Ring doorbell remains safe and protected.